So today I'm going to teach I will teach angles. Shall I start?
Yeah.
So today I'm going to teach lines and angles. Here are the topics which I'm going to teach: angles in daily life, basic terms and definition, points, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, angles, and parallel lines. These are basic concepts of geometry. In geometry, lines and angles are the most important tools. So can anyone tell what is line, definition of line? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can anyone tell definition of line? Okay. So, I will tell the definition. A line is a straight path extend in both directions with no end point. Line never ends. Here are the definitions of line segment and ray. Line segment is a part of a line that includes 2 points which have endpoints and all the points between them. Ray is a part of line with one endpoint that continues without end in one direction. It only moves on in one direction. Then here are intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, lines that cross each other. Non-intersecting lines means lines that never cross and are always in same distance apart. They are also parallel lines. Intersecting lines never meet each other. Intersecting lines meet each other and parallel lines never meet each other. These are the examples of intersecting lines in daily life. You can see here on the screen. Now, this is perpendicular lines, two lines that intersect to form four right angles. In this, you can see the two lines intersect and they form four right angles. Now, these are the examples of perpendicular lines. Street of the cities is one of the example. Now, angles. Angle is a figure formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint, and that endpoint is known as vertex of the angle. There are different types of angles like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, adjacent angle, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles. These are acute angles. Acute angles are nothing but the angles which measure below 90 and above 0 degree. These measure between 0 degree to 90 degree. These are the examples of acute angle. These are examples of acute angle in daily life. Now, right angle, an angle formed by perpendicular intersection of two straight lines, an angle of 90 degree. Right angle is nothing but the angle which measures 90 degree. These are some examples of 90 degree. Can you give an example of right angle in daily life?
Window,
Yes. Anyone else?
blackboard,
Our clock, when
Yes.
the clock which is in our house, when the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12.
Yes, right. Now this is obtuse angle. Angle measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Here you can see some obtuse angles. These are the example of obtuse angles. A straight angle. A straight angle changes the direction to point the opposite way. It looks like a straight line. It measures 180 degree. The straight line. A reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. These angles measure between 180 degree to 360 degree. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are often shortened as adjacent angles. These are the angles that have a common ray coming out of the vertex going between the two other rays. In other words, they are angles that are side by side or adjacent. Here you can see the adjacent angles. Linear pair, a pair of adjacent angles formed by intersecting lines. Linear pairs of angles are supplementary. Linear pairs are always supplementary. Means if you add any two numbers, then the sum of that numbers will be 180 degree. Can you give any example?
Angle measuring 130
Yes.
degree and 50 degree.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Angle measuring 130 degree and 50 degree.
Okay.
Miss angle
So these are
measuring
vertically opposite angles.